Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy day. I was going to say happy Tuesday, but it's actually, today is Thursday. I'm going to be eating something a little different today. Now, the reason I'm going with this is because, first, it's my absolute favorite chicken place. And I didn't want to keep doing burgers. As much as I love a good burger, I could eat a burger every day, I think. But as far as, the content goes, I think it'd be nice to kind of mix it up a little bit. And we're going to be going with some half-pound chicken tender combo from Ezells. It's a local place. It's only 12 locations. It's a little bit more than the others, but it's Washington only, and I got my favorite crinkle cut fries, which I will say, my biggest criticism about this place is the fact that they have crinkle cut fries, but they never cooked them long enough. And so every time I order, I ask, please make the fries crispy. And the lady who runs the store, man, she's just so nice. I don't know what it is about the crinkle cut. So I got 2 chicken strips. I got the spicy and the regular. I just told her half and half. So here's the chicken. Damn, that's good. Crispy outside, nice tender, juicy chicken on the inside. Man, it's a home run. I normally get barbecue sauce, but I just grabbed ranch today just to mix things up. I'm a dipper. Oh, man. Outstanding. Now, what they've got is you got these little fresh baked rolls, and these things are just the bomb. They're nice and soft. They bake them fresh right there in the store. Man, that's good. So what I'm doing, I'm going to eat my lunch. But I'm going to cut right now to the, to home, where I'm going to record the computer screen and show you the menu. And then I'll bring back, close the video out. So, I'm not going to make you sit here and I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me eat this entire thing. I almost forgot to do the close-up. So, there's the fries, the dipping sauce, and the rolls. Heck yeah. Alright, so I've returned home. Make sure you guys can see that, okay? So here is their menu. Alright, so we've got, it's pretty simple really. You got 2-piece, served with a fresh roll, spicy or half and half, serves 1 or 2. 2 pieces of chicken. 3-piece, served with a fresh roll, available original, spicy, and half and half. 4-piece, 8-piece, 16-piece, 24-piece. It comes with a dozen rolls. The rolls are off the chart. They're really good. 2-piece combo. Well, 2, 3, 4, or 8-piece combos. I think I had the 3-piece combo last time. So it comes with served with 1 fresh baked roll and 2 regular homemade sides. And I'll get into sides in a moment. They got 16-piece combo, 24-piece combo. This is what I ordered, the half-pound chicken tender combo. I love how nice and big their menu is. That's great. Comes with a side and 1 roll. I ordered an extra roll. I got the fries, but they have other stuff. You can get up to 2 pounds of tenders. Serves 4 to 6. So that's a lot of food. Small tender combo. Half-pound. Didn't I already just read that? Oh, I see it. So it's tenders by themselves. So you can get small, which is 3, half-pound, but then the combos are you get a side. So if you get the half-pound, you get 1 side. You get a pound, you get 2 sides. 2 pounds, you get 4 rolls and 2 sides. My mistake. Sorry, I didn't read it correctly. They got buffalo chicken tenders, which I've never had. I'm sure they're good, but okay. Here are the homemade sides. You got mashed potatoes and gravy, slow baked barbecue beans, creamy coleslaw, fresh potato salad. Which, I like my potato salad, so I would just get my own, or make my own, and then go get their chicken. Heritage mac and cheese, and kernel corn. Then they got snacks and specialties. They got the rolls, fried golden fried okra, fresh gizzards, chicken livers, excuse me. And then my favorite, the crinkle fries, Cajun fries. You can get a single piece of chicken, comes with a roll. Snack pack, a piece of chicken, 1 side, 1 roll, which I didn't realize I actually do that sometime. And then they got for the kids, kiddie meals, single piece of chicken, single piece combo, small tenders, chicken, kids chicken combo, mac and cheese, and then they got the sweet potato pie and peach cobbler, which I've not had, but I've had their sweet potato pie and it's pretty damn good. And there's a whole about us section here. It talks about the store, opened up in 1994. Quality, community, family, tradition, pride, giving back, resilience, dedication, and just awesome food. Really good food. Probably one of my favorite places to eat. So far, all 4 of these have been my favorites, so it makes it really easy to go there because I love eating there. They even have a food truck. So yeah, that's it. Alrighty, well, without thinking about it, I just kind of went ahead and killed it. Oh man, I could go for a nap. Whew. Man, it's such a good lunch. Love the rolls. Alright, well, excuse me. Alright, well, a link to their website will be down in the description, so you can check them out. I'll also recorded some of the menu, So, very good, love that place. Unfortunately, gotta go to work now. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. What am I going to do next? Well, I'll figure something out. I'm either going to do another burger next, or I'm going to do maybe pizza. We'll see. Or I'll just record them both and then, figure out which I'm going to upload first. So, have a good one. Don't forget to check the playlist if you missed any other episodes. This should be episode 4 now. So, yeah, have a great day.